Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a stress ball that I made. I'm going to tell you how to make it, but I'm not going to make it because I don't have more stuff to make it. Well, this is how you make it. You get a balloon like this one, and you get glue, and you get liquid starch, and you get the liquid starch and you pour it slowly in the glue, and then you mix it, and then you get the slime and you put it in the balloon. And then make sure that there's a little bit of air in it, and then it should make the sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I hope you guys can hear it. Let me see. I'm going to try to squish it hard so you guys can hear it. Yeah, well, that's it, guys. And if you really want to make it, then just do what I said. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye.